Hi guys and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can trade on Chase mobile app. So let's jump right in. First, launch the Chase app and make sure you're logged into the account you want to use for trading. Once you're in, navigate to the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on the Investments tab. From there, select Trade and then choose Stocks and ETFs to begin. On the next screen, you'll see an option labeled Action. If you're planning to buy, tap on Buy. If you're looking to sell, switch it to Sell. After that, select your preferred order type, then enter the number of shares you want to trade. Before placing the trade, you'll be shown a full preview of your order. This is your chance to double-check everything: the action, quantity, and pricing details. Once you're confident that everything looks good, tap the Place Order button at the bottom of the screen. After submitting the order and completing the transaction, you just need to wait for the trade to go through, and that's it, you're all set. Trading on the Chase mobile app is that easy.